In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add admins to a Trello workspace. We're going to go through this step by step to ensure everything is crystal clear. This process is not only straightforward, but it also helps you manage your workspace more efficiently by delegating responsibilities to your team. Let's start by navigating to the top right corner of your Trello interface. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a menu where you'll select the Settings option. The Settings section is your control center for personalizing your Trello experience, and in this case, it's your gateway to adding a new admin. Once you're in the Settings menu, take a look at the panel on the left. You'll see a list of workspaces that you have access to. Carefully choose the workspace where you want to add an admin. Make sure you're selecting the correct space, especially if you're a part of multiple projects or teams. Having the right people in the right roles can significantly enhance collaboration and productivity. Next, you'll spot the Members option on that same left panel. Go ahead and click it. This section gives you an overview of everyone who is part of your workspace, making it simple to manage and invite new members. Now, this is where the magic happens. You'll see options to add and invite new workspace members. Type in the email address or select from your team to add them to your workspace. This step is crucial as it lays the groundwork for you to assign admin rights. It's important to ensure that your new admin is already in the system. After you've successfully added the person to the workspace, look for a drop-down menu next to their name. This drop-down is where you'll configure their role within the workspace. Click on it and select Admin from the list. And there you have it. You've added a new admin to your Trello workspace. By doing so, you empower others to help manage tasks, oversee projects, and contribute to a more organized workflow. It's as simple as that. This process is all about leveraging the capabilities of Trello to ensure everyone has the access they need to do their best work. Whether you're scaling up your team or sharing responsibilities, knowing how to add workspace admins is a vital skill. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing with Trello.